Ragbrai here in Adair, Iowa. Went to the concert last night, had a good time. Woke up to a very nice, sunny, cool morning. The day has been busy so far, large crowds, probably due to the fact that we're closer to Omaha and Council Bluffs. There's more people probably riding this weekend. Maybe those crowds will drop off a little bit during the week. We're having a great time so far. The weather's perfect. Lots and lots of people out. Got to meet a little bit of a celebrity in the biking world last night. Got to meet Nelson Bales. We spoke with him, got a picture taken with him. He wants to talk to us again later sometime. Really nice guy.
Feeling a little dehydrated after that great concert last night, so we plan to drink a lot of water. And then right outside the breakfast town of Awindy, there were hundreds of wind turbines. There's a reason for this. It is windy out there today.
Very, very windy today. So we're just taking it easy, just cruising on through. Like we had like 68 miles today, I think we have to do.
10 more miles than yesterday, so we have 68 today.
And we end in Winterset.
Yes, Atlantic to Winterset.
Yeah. So we'll see what the sights and sounds are today.
It's a beautiful day.
What are you eating?
Egg on a stick and beef on a stick.
Egg on a stick and beef on a stick.
Born and raised in Iowa.
All right.
What you got there?
I got a corn on a stick. Pretty good.
Do they serve beer on a stick at Ragbrai?
No, but they just serve it in a cup. It's pretty good too. Done. We're back. Had a beautiful day today. It started off real windy, and the wind never stopped. We got lucky at the end though. We had quite a bit of a tailwind, so the cruise back on into Somerset, I believe is where we're at now. Ended our 68 miles for the day. I think actually we were a little bit over 70 by the time we were all said and done. The towns along the way were awesome. They had them set up. Lots of amenities, lots of events going on. Looked like everybody was having a great time.
We met a lot of people today from Colorado and, you know, from places where they wish they lived in Colorado.
So we are getting ready now to go take showers and then trying to go into town to see what they had it all set up with a big finish line at the end. And we'll go in and see what's going on and what the festivities are for tonight. And we'll get an early start again tomorrow, but it should be an easy ride. It's only about 30, under 40 miles, which sets us up for the next day, which is almost an 80, almost 90 mile day, which will be interesting. But yeah, we're just gonna take a shower, head on in.
But day two, and everybody's still feeling
Day two, everybody's
fine,
still happy.
and yeah, the riders are still happy, and it's great.
Yeah.
Come on!